My project is SACDARCS. SACDARCS means Satellite Aided Community Disaster Alert and Rescue Coordination System. Okay, what is the problem which was faced by India during the natural calamities? India faces frequent disasters and delays in alert and rescue reduces survival rates. What we can do? Our solution is use NISAR satellite data for real-time disaster monitoring, deploy Swadeshi IoT gadgets in households. The gadget features are alarm system to warn residents, LoRa transmitter to signal presence, push button for survivors to make themselves safe. Rescue drones detect a LoRa signal, map survivor location. The prototype vision is a low-cost, indigenous, community-driven disaster alert and rescue system. Okay, we hereby use NISA satellite data to analyze the coming or ongoing disaster day and night and 24 by 7 across India. It will send or the data the district help center, then the data processing and analyzing center where analyzes the data and activate the respective area and the households present in the radius of that area. They will activate the gadget through signaling the GSM module which is present in the IoT gadget, through which the LoRa transmitter activated and buzzer is activated. The people are aware and they they are they must press the push button in the gadget in order to make themselves to intimate their presence in their homes, as well as the GSM will send the signal that the presence of the victims as well as return back to the data processing center. They will collect and give the data to the rescue team who are planning for rescue operation on the mud debris and in the tough weather and hilly areas who are planning for rescue operation. It is very helpful for them, we think. So they use drones attaching the LoRa receiver which can able to receive the LoRa signal from the gadget, which the GPS present in the drone, through which they can able to triangulate the LoRa signal above the surface. In accordance with the GPS present in the drone, they can able to mark or know the location of the victims present, which is this data is very much helpful for them to plan efficiently and time reduction in order to deploy their rescue operation to save the victims. And next, the technical approach. The NISA satellite data gives the data like earthquake, landslide flood, data processed at the district help centers and the IoT gadgets like ESP32 microcontroller, GSM module, alarm, LoRa transmitter, push button, receivers, disaster alert from the help centers as like. Now let us compare. Now let us compare the positive and negative sides of the technologies which are existing in India as well as that we proposed to the problem statement. Nationwide Hazard Detection Prioritization. IMD Indian Meteorological Department Seismic and Weather Networks Geological Survey Regional LEWS and the national portals give the information about the coming disasters. Lizard provides very high resolution surface change maps to prioritize zones combined with the IMD seismic streams for timelines. Mass alert delivery to people. Cell broadcast nationwide SMS India Cell broadcasting SMS alert Sakshit portal. We proposed GSM SIM 800L built into gadget to receive server push SMS and confirm back. Local survivor signaling, ultrasonic acoustic listening, thermal cameras, CO2 sensors and specialized radars which are currently using by the NDRF National Disaster Rescue Response Force during the natural calamities. For example, the recent flash flood in Himachal Pradesh, as well as in the last 2 years, the incidents like Wayanad, landslide, etc. We proposed LoRa beacons for from household gadgets, drones, as well as mobile LoRa gateways to collect RSSI plus GPS for triangulation or of the location of the servers. Detection under deep VLF through Earth systems, specialized radars used in mining, major rescue operations. It is more expensive. We use LoRa for work through light debris, but not unreliable for very deep entrampment. But we analyzed that and we demoed with the LoRa sensor, LoRa emitter, which can able to penetrate its signal through several tens of meters in accordance with the research as well as some data. Cost and scalability. Specialized rescue tech is very high in terms of cost. ESP32 plus LoRa plus GSM, low moderate cost, scalable to many households, and drones are usable. Network resilience. Single network approaches fail when telecommunication infrastructure is down. But in accordance with the satellite data, IoT gadgets as well as the drone ecosystem may provide a better rescue operations. The hybrid GSM are for alert, LoRa for local beacons, optional LoRa mesh relay improves resilience. It is our main motto in order to increase the success rate of the rescue operation. Let us know about the NISAR satellite. NISAR satellite, the NASA ISRO synthetic aperture NISAR satellite is a giant Earth observation mission launched in July 2025 by NASA and the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. It is the first satellite to carry two different radar frequencies, enabling it to deliver high-resolution all-weather images of Earth surface day and night. NISAR's core capability is dual frequency synthetic aperture radar system, which allows it to monitor the planet's land and ice surface with centimeter level precision. So which we select the indigenous satellite for data as well as IoT gadgets in a and along with the drone ecosystem, which represents the Atmanirbhar Bharat for the above problem statement given by AICTE for the theme of disaster management. Thank you.